Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you some cleaning motivation, tackling the dishes, and then later cleaning up the kids' toys in the living room play area, and they will be helping me with that. This video is going live on Halloween, so we are in costume for this video, just for fun, but it is also Tuesday, and that means that it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home, so I'll have a link to her channel down below in the description box, along with the playlist to many other great creators here on YouTube sharing their tiny tidies, their cleaning motivation to help you get the motivation you need to tackle your tasks, big or small. We want to encourage you this week, and this is also a crossover collab hosted by Joy at Organized with Joy. She is hosting a Halloween collab, a cleaning Halloween collab. So this video will be in the Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist, but it will also be in Joy's Halloween collabs playlist. So I will have both playlists linked down below, so definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and Joy's channel and all of the playlists for lots and lots of fun and lots of cleaning motivation. You will see my kids' Halloween outfits as well. My oldest actually crafted his Halloween costume, and it is pretty epic, and he's been working on it for 3 months, and we only helped reinforce the back with duct tape and then helped him paint it this last weekend. But it is super awesome. But I'm going to put on some music and get to the cleaning. Going to finish up today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and so much more. Definitely don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel, Joy's channel, and the Tiny Tidy playlist and the Halloween collab playlist down below in the description